How do you make a funnel with your book? Let's start step by step. If you want to really make money with your book, let me teach you how to make a funnel. I'm Melanie Johnson. I'm one of the owners of Elite Online Publishing, and I've been making bestsellers for over a decade now. Let's start with the easiest way is to put a call to action inside your book. Something that somebody can get for free that they opt in. So it's a QR code, a link, and they go there, they get this fabulous freebie, right? And then they have to give you their information because Amazon doesn't say who bought your book. They don't give you any information. None of the platforms do. So this way you're gonna capture their information and you can start a drip campaign to them because someone who wants something from you, whether it's for free or they buy it, are more apt to actually buy something from you down the road. All right, so once they get there, let's say they get this freebie, it takes them to a landing page and it says, thank you for getting our freebie. We really appreciate that. Would you like to buy our next thing? So they got something for free. Now you're gonna offer them something that they can pay for. So it might be low ticket, it might be $10, might be $50, might be $100, but it should be of great value. Offer them that. If they say no, then you can still offer them something else for less money. So let's say you've got something in there for $49 and they say no, then say, hey, here's this other thing for $10, do you want that? Then when they get the thing, so it's gonna go to their email, the thing that you're giving to them for free, you should also say, here's your free thing. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Give them more information about you, your book, your company, and make that same offer there. Give them an offer of something else that they can buy. Now, this only works if you have things that they can buy. So if you don't have anything they can buy, you need to start with that first. What do you have that's valuable to that clientele that's gonna want your free thing from your book? So it'd be someone who wants the content from your book, they're looking at it in the first place, either they've bought your book or they've just opened your book and previewed it and seen that you have this free thing. But you have to have something to sell. How do you create something to sell? Think of something that is maybe you didn't put in your book that you can create a PDF, you can make a course, you can make a membership. There's a variety of different things that you can do. That's a whole nother video that we can do a deep dive on how to create some of these things, but those are things that you can offer. You may already have a big high ticket offer, so you could lead them into your high ticket offer, right? Or just lead them to a video that gives some explanation of it. Or just give them a drip campaign into your email and newsletter that has offers eventually that will be in there. So that is the easiest way that we teach our authors. Start with a call to action inside your book. Then the more advanced way is to offer your book for free plus shipping. So to do that, sometimes you need a third party that's gonna do all the legwork for you, or you can do it yourself. Usually you can do it two ways. If you have your own audience already that you can promote this to, that they are gonna want the book for free plus shipping. So if you have people that you can spread this out to, maybe strategic partners that you can offer it to, you can do it that way. Free plus shipping means that you are going to give the book, usually a physical book. I like to have it autographed. I like to have a little note that's gonna go with it. So the free plus shipping is usually about $10. Hey, you're gonna get the book for free that's normally $20. You're gonna get it for $10. And then whatever it costs you to ship the book plus the cost of the book you have to put in there. So there is an investment. It still costs you some money to do this, especially if you use a third-party shipper. But what I love about this is it's going to grow your audience and expose it to new people if you're sending it with partnerships to influencers and strategic partners. Another great way to do this is with ads. So you can run ads. I'm sure you've seen them. It's been going on for decades. They've been doing this. Tony Robbins does it. Gary Vee does it. Russell Brunson does it. I can't tell you, there's a whole numerous amount of people. I think Alex Hormozy has been doing it as well. So you can give your book free plus shipping and run ads to it. So this is going to open up a whole new audience for you because people who maybe were never exposed to your book are now going to get your book. But again, you need to do the same program that when they sign up for this, you're gonna get their name, email, and phone number, and now you can send a thank you page to them, thanking them for getting it, telling them more about when it's gonna be shipped, and then try and sell them something else. You can even sell them something before they finish checking out. Get their name, address, and email, and then their credit card, and then it automatically goes to an upsell page.